Hello, good morning, guys. About yesterday. So, basically, what happened yesterday? I will come for the today's trade. Let's talk about today's trade first, and then we'll go for yesterday's trade. What happened? I will tell you, update you on yesterday's trade, right? So, this trade today, we'll see something, some sort of things. Wait, huh? Okay, it went move up. Uh, a sensation happened here on 15 minute. I guess for hourly this is okay, making some candles showing that it will go up level, upside level. Why I get as this line is drawn for 1 hour supply zone, and this will be for okay. Okay, 5 minutes we got a supply bridge. We'll look for a demand now. Still I will just confirm it once. Okay, it's a supply bridge on 15 minutes too. Or maybe is this, let me check guys, let me check first. This broke down, okay, this broke down, this broke down, this got it, and then cool. On 1 minute we didn't got any retracement for entry. This might be our 1 minute chart path thing, so we can wait for this level to come. Okay, so 5 minute bridge, or else we can look for this as a supply zone 2. Let's wait for it. Let's see how market goes. Will go. London session is on. It's 12 o'clock. Cool. If this goes above this level, like 304, then we can take as this as a supply zone. Till then we are waiting for as this as a supply zone. See, it got mitigated, this supply zone got mitigated and then came back and throw it out. So you can think as this might be a liquidity, and that's why it came. But there is liquidity of Asian high also. So this was also the one of the liquidity, and then another one of the liquidity, and then another. If really price want to go upside, then it will at least make this high and then drop, or else we will just wait for this level to come, and from that level we can look for entry. This level looks promising, although this thing, this is just a liquidity for 1 minute here. And then this one would not be a supply. Yeah, this is also one of the liquidity. So wait for liquidity comes and does something. Okay, we are going to go for this only, this level for buy. This will be our stop loss and this will be our target. 3.600, 360 is our 360 points on gold. So whatever you are looking for to risk amount, just divide that risk amount to 360, then you will get the quantity and you can run your trade. Like if you have $1,000 account and then you are risking 5%, then it's like $50. So 50 divided by 360, you will get the quantity. It's just example I'm telling you. 5% should not be traded. Just telling you, 1% is very less, right? $10 or something on $1,000 account. That's so. If you have a $10,000 account and you can risk 1% because it will at least give a very normal sort of things. You know what we say, the gap of in $100, the value of money per se, because $100 is something we can buy it, or in a $10 you will just buy and buy some stuff only. In India it's lot, but I'm telling you overall. That's why I said 5%. So that's oh, it's dropping like crazy, you know. Oh damn, it's just I took the entry, like it dropped crazily, so I took the entry. I risked 1% of my account and then waiting for it to blow up. You can see that. So we'll wait for a target here. And downside, this is the level might expect to come for the 1 minute. Yeah, just okay. So what if like this is not just a reaction and then it goes down and down and down? Although I traded on the basis of this liquidity, it got purged and then it went up crazily, breaking all the liquidities and supply zone of this level. So I ended on this entry model, and I'm looking for this to get tapped out. We'll wait for it. We have risk allotted. We'll give a one chance for this trade. You can't ping pong this trade because if it goes right away downside and then you will feel, then you have to wait for this to get done, not this one. This one also fine, but on 1 minute you can risk out. This one is would be our demand zone, which breaks break of structure balance. So we'll wait for it. Let's see how it goes. 1 hour charges. It's 20 minutes for 1 hour to close. Candle to close. I hope this candle should close below above this level. I'm just hoping that above this level, if it close, then we can see the upper side move for this FVG or something. I just hope. We can just hope or. So based on the liquidity pulse, the trade, that's how it fulfills my criteria to take this trade. Otherwise, I wouldn't be taking this trade. Yes. Now talking about yesterday trade, we'll go back, look for the yesterday trade. As I told you, uh, we saw this liquidity purge. It went out, and crazily we took an entry here because we thought that this it it broke this one, but unfortunately it didn't, because I didn't see little, like, need to be at least a little upside level from this level. But yeah, whatever it is, so we took this as the entry and buy and sell. So my trade was almost at around you know trading at almost this, and unfortunately I didn't book anything because I was waiting for the at least this 90% of it. I didn't book anything. I saw it while going it, and then it just came down, and then another candle. This candle denotes me that it will break our stop loss, but I told you while going out of the live that this will be my stop loss. So it's almost 60-70% of my stop loss, whatever I just like save 70.70% I got out. So this was a lost trade yesterday. But on your session, what happened? See, I'll just cut this down. Even on 1 minute chart on this level, you can see some nice movements. So this was 1 minute chart I was looking for, and this was the supply zone. See, this was the buy level, and this was the stop loss level, and this was the target level. So target we got hit on 1 minute chart, not on the 5 minute chart. So we will get better more. Alright, but on 1 hour, if you see yesterday, see, this was the greatest demand zone, right? You can, this was the great demand zone, right? It got breached by this candle. So what was the high of that structure which broke? This one, or else you can take this one also, or else you can take this one also, right? But most probably you can take this as a 1 hour chart, or this as a 15-minute chart. So this broke, we got a very nice touch on this. See this touch, and then the target was this, and we got hit of the target. I somehow risked very less, that I got into break even. Yeah, so that was it. Even on this level also you can get a 1 is to 1 also here, like risking little more and then getting out of this. You can risk you can stop, you can put your stop loss on this level or this level to get it done, so you can get a better RR. Don't do that after only you make it possible to go more. So wait for it. So that was London and New York session yesterday. And for Nasdaq, you would have seen this. Yeah, so on London session open, I drawn this demand zone, break of demand zone, and then in New York session it came up to cover entry and exit us at a target price. So this was a very, like, in 20 sorry, in half an hour we got out of the trade. This was for the NAS trade yesterday. It was time consuming though, but you need to be a patient on the trades, you know. So let's see, now NAS is very shitty price action. So gold we are looking. So it's trading like this. It took 50% also. No, not 50%, but almost 50%. So this also stop loss will be good, but don't do that for point 0.1 stop loss. So let it be run, let it run. You will see how कैसे ये आपको कंसिस्टेंसी लेवल पे बना सकता है. See, trading is not a easy task, man. Come on. You feel like you got a one strategy, and then you will feel like, oh my god, I got a holy grail on this trading strategy, and then you tested it on a live account or back tested it, and then you tested it on live account, and your psychology get fucked up, and then again you feel like, oh my god, 3 trades are winning, and then again the fourth trade would be a loss making. But that time you already reached your psychology level to the euphoria in the trading space, where you just feel like, oh, I can't get a loss on any trade, so I need to get out of this loss making for today, so I will trade one more trade. And that one more trade, it's just based on just a revenge stuff, and you will lose it or will make it also, because you might have risked a little less or something, and if you made it, and then again you will risk more, and then you will lose a lot of things, and then you will try to make it again, and then it goes, you start losing, and you might lose your account also, or whatever it is, funded or live account. So that's how trading psychology plays a very vital role in our trading journey. So you need to be patient enough and just trade one or two trades on a day, and you can risk more, right? In one trade you can risk more, or you can risk at least 2% on a funded account, or 1% on or 1% or 1.5%. Just give it time, you will see how it will work out. If it's not work out, then it's okay, man, come on. And this life journey is uh, even I am also learning much more from this stuff. So basically it will give you a lot of confidence also, that someone is trading on this behalf and this behalf. So wait for it, go for good stuff, go for, be a patient along. It's all about it's all about staying in the market rather than getting blown out, right? It's all about staying in the market for a longer period of time. Then only you will literally know what, how, and where it works. So I have seen people, a lot of people had made it killing on this market level. They have had some another unlock journey on those trading psychology. See, if you have an age and if it's working very well, then you will feel like you are got into god mode. But that's not thing. So have you ever considered that whenever you were in a trading and you were just trading some sort of strategy or normal strategy, you are not thinking about any other stuff like market fear or any other, losing money or something. Those were the times when you are at a certain flow state at first. That's why you are making those money. But when you learn things, then when you analyze things, that this once that streak, that winning streak, it gets stopped, then you will start learning on the market space. Okay, I need to learn, and then and learn and learn and learn, and then you will feel like, okay, I had done this mistake, that mistake, and then you will hop on the strategies later on days. Then you will have that certain fear mode also while taking a trade or whatever executing on the point, where you won't go back as it was first, even though you got an edge on the strategy. Yeah, that's the that's the some um, what we say, pro and cons on this trading journey. Because at first you will feel like a god and everything, and then later on, after learning also, you will feel like, no, 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 this is very risky and all the stuff. So that's how trading works in a psychology based. So, yeah, it's literally very danger. Not a danger, but if you're putting money, lot of money, then it's danger. If you're not, then it's okay, okay. Yesterday my psychology plays a lot. Yeah, because yesterday trade was, I was almost at 70% of my take profit, and then boom, it's got just hit my stop loss. I might have scored to break even or something, but no, man, you just have to follow your system. The algorithmic trading is just not on emotion level, but on the good level also. On very unbiased emotion trading stuff happens there. So yeah. Yesterday we got three entries also on 1 minute chart. You even get entries on 1 minute chart now. It just things. I will be back. See, one of the thing is also like this. If you break this, then you will be seeing from this level to downside level. Entries right away. I will back. Okay, it's going up and down, Anna. Let's see, is there any news or what? Today is Thursday, 3 p.m. GBP, 6 p.m. USDD. USDD. Okay, 6 p.m. is the unemployment claim, final GDP. Cool. Not that much movement though, but cool it is. So we see it's falling. uh, it's not working out. So this one would be the demand zone for us. If this breaks and then goes up, then you will get out of the, what we say, on break even at least, or some other level, because this moves got into break of supply, and there is always a fake demand zone and liquidity below it. So that's why it took this liquidity and went for the upside side, and the demand zone is intact. So we'll wait for this demand zone to break, and we'll reduce our stop loss to this level, not right away but later on. Till then we'll keep as it is. I saw it on 5 minutes. It's like going like this. On 1 hour, okay, it created this one. It needs to see 1 hour is closed above this level, so I think it's a bullish indication. So we'll wait for another half an hour to see that this candle gets into our target zone. Minutes, it's trading around. Okay. 5 minutes. We'll keep a chart on 15 minutes just to make sure that we won't get confused by 1 minute chart. So I guess this live session is almost at 1 hour, so I don't want to keep it more. So we'll do one thing, we'll finish this live session today itself, and we'll wait for a target. And I already shared this with you guys, the levels. In 15 minutes we can see this as a demand zone, and this as a on 1 minute chart. If it took at this level, and okay, always make sure it's in 75 level, because market comes and goes below. So this will be our stop loss. If this, yeah, this candle, see the low of this candle, the close of this candle, and the open of this candle, yeah, that will be our stop loss level right away. Yeah, keep it right away. Stop loss level would be that. And we'll see if it hits our target or not. I hope if I come back to this New York session, then I will continue with it, because yes. So hold on 1 minute. Okay, this sorry, I'm just placing you with the less opportunity, because once it breaks, then it will break our this stop loss also. So it's almost 70% or 60% of our stop loss. Yeah, 60%, 1.40, because it was 1:1, and then stop loss moved up, so it came to 1.40. So it's a 60% stop to our whatever we risked, and this will be our stop loss. Let me do my stop loss to that level, so I don't want to get into this. It's 97.55. Yeah, 66. I kept at 55. So yep. Got risk reduce and waiting for my target. 303, 304. Okay, then see you tonight hopefully, or else tomorrow definitely. Yep. Good night till then. Bye bye. Don't overtrade. That's what my take in this show.